Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. I am here to share with you this project that I made for my swap partner for the event all about red junk journal page. I already did a monochrome junk journal page and a purple junk journal page. So today is all about red, and this red is vibrant, fun, and a happy color. The requirements for the journal page are the size has to be 8 by 10.5 inches. So that would be 5¼ inches folded. And then there has to be 1 tag minimum and 2 journal cards minimum. Of course, red has to be the prominent color. So we can add other colors, but there has to be red and red and red everywhere. And then we are free to add anything else to make our project unique. So here's what I made for my swap partner, and I hope that she likes this. I had so much fun playing with the red colors. I have the basic 10.5 inch spread, and then I added flip outs and then more pockets and tucks. And my cover is a very pretty red and gold fabric. I added a lovely charm. This is an angel charm in silver tone. I think it's very pretty. And then my closure is seam binding that I dyed and I crinkled. And the color is a vibrant scarlet red. I think this color is really beautiful. And I like hand dyeing my seam binding. And then I added this Indian fabric that she can use for other projects. This is also very pretty. And then here's a tag that I embossed, and I used Japanese paper and more Japanese papers. This is a paper doily, and then this is mulberry paper, also Japanese paper. And I love the design and the texture. So she can use this for some other projects. I also used Japanese paper on the inside, and then I used my offcuts and scraps to mat the red cardstock, which is the base of this journal page. And so this fabric, I think, is really gorgeous. It's red and gold, and then I had it decorated with pretty lace and rickrack ribbon. So let's see the inside. Here we have a pocket. It's actually a double pocket, and then tags here backed with black cardstock. These are stickers, and these are small tags that I glued down. Bigger tag, it says thinking of you. And this is a vintage postcard. On this side, we have side pockets and then 2 journaling cards. And I did not add any image. And this is a Japanese paper, and then also something from my scrap. It's an offcut paper, and then this is a flip out. On this side, we have a tuck and 3 journaling cards, and then the edges were distressed with Barn Door Distress Ink by Ranger. And this tuck is Japanese paper. This half heart is die cut, a tuck, and this is also Japanese paper. And then here's a pocket, also Japanese paper. This side also flips out, and here we have a side pocket, and this is a very pretty card from my stash. Beautiful flowers, and this is just blank for journaling, and more journaling cards. These are all offcuts. On this side, we have a tag that is a tuck and then a belly band. This is a journaling card, and the tree was originally white. I just inked it. And then here is a vintage postcard. This also flips out. We have a pocket here and more tags. And then these are more offcuts that I just stapled so she can use this for other projects. This is also Japanese paper. And then here we have notepads, so she can really journal here, and I also added a tuck. So I believe the first 4 sheets have tucks, and then all the others are just blank papers. So this is my All About Red Junk journal page. I know it is more than 1 page, but really the base is just 1 page, and I just added more tucks and more flip outs to make it more fun. And there are not many sentiments, so she can make this her own. There you go, everyone. This is my Red Junk journal page for my swap partner. I hope you like this project share. Please let me know what you think. Before I go, I'd like to thank everyone who joined my Road to 3,000 subscribers series of giveaways. The next draw will be this Friday. And for those who would like to have a chance to win 50 wonderful items that can be used for journaling, scrapbooking, and other craft projects, please join us. The link will be in my description. And again, the guidelines are very easy. My next project will be a design theme project, and this is for the Summer Bloom celebration for Rach and Bella Crafts and Line Dot Arrow. I am very excited about this project because Rach and Bella Crafts and Line Dot Arrow designed a beautiful kit, and this is to celebrate their friendship and also the achievement of their channel goals. So I hope that you continue to support my channel, and if you are not subscribed, please join my YouTube family. Let's learn, create, and inspire together. So thank you everyone for watching this video. God bless you. Stay safe. Bye now. Till next time.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.